we making sure that everybody's family in here, but now it's your turn.
Hey, it's gonna be that time, right? All right, so we're gonna get into that. When I say the mic is open, that just means that there is no order, there is no structure. You go up when you're ready to go up. The only rule is, I know there's a couple of people that want to do 2 pieces or so. If the mic is open and nobody goes up, then you come back and you do your second piece. But for the first time that you come up, just do 1 piece so we can just keep it rolling. All right? So, let's finish out our sets for the night, and we're going to go from there. All right? 369.
Hey.
Come do your thing. Give it up for my brother 3.
Yeah. So when I say I need y'all to say myself. Can y'all do that?
Yeah.
I said I love
myself.
I said I love
Myself.
I said I love
Myself.
That's my CELLPH for the balance. My cells, my DNA. That's how we overcome the challenge. So most of the time y'all know me and see me walking around with my water or my family, 2 out of my 10 children. Like I'm a shaman. I'm a master of the ceremony. I'm an MC, so I hold ceremony. This is all sacred to me. I was born in the 80s. I'm 41,000 years young. And what I'm gonna show for y'all tonight is how I meditate and how I didn't kill myself. Like this is mental health, men's mental health awareness. I identify as non-binary 2-spirit, but as y'all can see, I'm in a masculine body and I like making babies. Like, though, I came down here for that. Nah, but this is what I did. I chose to do that, and this is the thing. I'm an angel parent of 6 children, so I got 10, but then 6 of them on the other side. So one of the things that what we're about to do is we're about to go into a meditation through some sounds and through some inversion in a crazy world. I'm a part of the Melanites. My melanin makes me royalty and my actions make me a king and queen. So when I talk about my cells and my DNA, we have sex all the time. That's sacred energy exchange. I don't do small talk. The devil's in the details. So it's what they don't say, or what they don't say, or what they don't say. But K-Dot said, all I gotta say is that they don't really care about us. That was Michael Jackson. But K-Dot said they not like us. No, they don't like us. So I go where I'm welcome. I'm grateful for Craig for doing this, grateful for Don as well. Like I'm grateful for God saying I'm around a bunch of divine, even in here in the yard, I'm around a bunch of very strong men. And what I'm about to do, not a lot of people do. But I want you to be you to full because everyone else is taken. Nice. Can you hit that, Don? Turn that down. I be the angel of death, looking for the pale man, looking for the bell man, $5 Indians, pretendians, those that want to chase after Harriet, huh? Those that came at Nipsey, huh? Like Dr. Malachi Z. York. Shout out to my Nuwapians, Ra'ubag, Kata Pa Alaka. Listen, I'm an original, right? Crazy horse, Hawkeye, Go your latte, it's a good day to die, huh? or it's a good day to live. I die to myself because I give it to my kids. Like I got legacy over currency. So currently, I'm focused on the 5D. Y'all see me here, time to time? That's a frequency. That's an energy. I said I love myself. I said I love myself. My CELL, my pH for my balance. My cells, my DNA. That's how I overcome the challenge. Systematic oppression. Domestic terrorism, right? We almost got aborted, transported, back to job. Mom strung out on drugs. Dad got a hole under family. That's okay, that's conspiracy. Nah, my nigga, that's the algorithm of the hood, see? Pale man, put him to jail, man. I'm gonna tell y'all a secret, right? The only way you can own land is birthright. People's bones. Bury your people in your backyard. Tax write-off, cut that. Home alone, Macaulay Culkin. I'm home alone. I'm on this land, under occupation, with all my elders taken out, talking about, give us 40 acres and a mule. No, I take my 40 acres and I tell you that you gotta do business with us.
Yes.
Let's sit down at the table. Your buildings, I don't care, because it is on the land. This is the fable we talk about. Hawkeye, yeah. That means it's a good day to die. But Mitaku, yeah, or Yasin. That's Lakota, that we are all relatives.
Yes.
But the pale man is not a white man. It's a frequency.
Yes.
It's an energy.
Yes.
Those people that killed Fred, they didn't look like the enemy. Those people that killed Malcolm, they didn't look like the enemy. They look like a friend to me. But I ain't got no frenemies. I got unaware allies, so slide on my ops. I got hitters and killers from the top down. I'm really a general, 9-star, spiritual. Y'all just saw my gun lay off. She said, let me see your instrument. Let me see you play your flute. Didgeridoo. 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 Ashe.
Yes. One more time for 3, y'all.